Can YouTube get you clients for your web hosting company? Yes, here's how. YouTube is not just a platform for entertainment, it's a powerful tool for business growth. If you're not using YouTube to attract high-paying hosting clients, you're leaving money on the table. Imagine reaching thousands of potential clients with just a few videos. Let's fix that. Here's a step-by-step guide to turn your YouTube channel into a client magnet. Step 1. Post content that solves problems. Your content should address the pain points of your target audience. Make videos answering real client questions like, how do I build a website? How to log into cPanel? Or how to set up emails? These are questions your potential clients are already asking. Position yourself as the expert. When you provide valuable information, people will trust you more. Educate, don't sell. Focus on delivering value first. Step 2. Add a strong call to action, like showing your website URL. A strong call to action, CTA, is crucial. It guides your viewers on what to do next. At the end of each video, tell viewers how to work with you. Use a clear CTA like contact us for your new website, or download our free website builder, or check the link below. Make it easy for them to take the next step. Tell them what to do next. Don't leave them guessing. Step 3. Optimize for search. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Use it to your advantage. Use keywords your clients are searching for in your title, tags, and description. It helps your video reach the right people. The more specific your keywords, the better. Use custom-branded videos by DemoTiger. They make sure your content is useful and target your niche. Quick bonus tips. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments fast, use community posts, and show real results from your work. Trust =sign clients. People want to see proof that you can deliver. Engage, showcase, convert. Interaction builds relationships. Want more leads from YouTube? Start today with 15 free videos on cPanel by DemoTiger. These videos showcase your brand logo and website URL with clear call to action. Visit DemoTiger.com now and submit your logo and website link. Like and subscribe for more client getting tips. Your journey to more clients starts now.